This is the elevator at Kelly Library at Penn State Greater Allegheny in McKeesport, Pennsylvania. I'm not sure what this was originally, but it was something old but salary, completely replaced by Eastern JL Jet Plus VPWI. It's a very narrow elevator. Go to 2, 2F, and 2R. Here we go. Here, 2. There's 2F, and then there's 2R. Back down to 1. Chimes on fine. It's a basic Penn State stainless steel cab. Again, very narrow. Directory, certificate replacement installed in 2012. Here back at 1. It's just mechanical, and then here's 1F. Renovations, and that's going to be it.